Hello all, welcome to the Gifts Card Lifestyle channel. It's been a minute since I've done a video. In this video we're going to be going over Swagbucks, specifically one of the ways in which I do Swagbucks on regular tap, and that is by watching videos. You watch a certain number of videos and then you earn a certain number of Swagbucks. Now in this case, I'm earning 3 Swagbucks for watching 28 videos. Sometimes you earn 3 Swagbucks for watching 22 videos. More or less, it usually goes like this. You watch 12 videos and earn 1, and watch 22 videos and earn 2, and watch 28 videos and earn 3 Swagbucks. So it does take a lot of time. Some tips that I have for you are to set it and forget it. Basically, set the video on. If you're doing one of those 28 and 3 ones, set it to watch the videos, then let it play through the playlist by itself. You can actually skip ahead. Let me just do that. Skip ahead to number 27 manually, or whatever number you're on. But usually you can set it, walk away, do something else. While you're doing something else, it'll go through the motions and you will be able to get your Swagbucks up drastically by doing that. In my experience, these videos are the ones that credit me the most. The Engage Me or the Encrave, those are kind of in and out. Some of them will credit you. A lot of times I'll get this screen that says sorry, it's not available, and I'll have to close the player. So then I go to these, and these actually give me a lot more bang for my time, and I can do it without actually being in the window or on the computer. I can just have it running in the background, and that is actually how I rack up the Swagbucks that way. In other videos I'll do more Swagbucks tutorials, and I will show you how the search and earn works, how the surveys work, and all that jazz. So stay tuned for more videos.